Welcome to e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Blogger. Blogger is a blog publishing service that allows multi-user bloggers with time-stamped entries. The blogs are hosted by Google and generally accessed from a subdomain of blogspot.com. A user can have up to 100 blogs per account. In this video, you will learn how to create a blog using your Gmail account, how to create pages in a blog, and how to post and publish contents in a blog. So let's get started. For that, I have already opened my Gmail account. And in the right corner, as you see here, these are 9 dots. Click it. And here you find Blogger. Click it. You can also go to www.blogspot.com and from there also you can sign in. Now here the option appears, create your blog. You can click create your blog or you can click sign in, one and the same thing. Choose a name for your blog. I would like to name it as KV Online Course. Next. Now it will ask you to give address to your blogspot.com. Also you have to be careful here. Sometimes the address is not available. Let the address of the blog be KVS course. So it is mentioning this blog address is available. So click next. Display name. I would like to type my name here. Then finish. It's being processing here. So this is how the blog page will appear, and this is the blog created on e-resources. Now let's make a new post by clicking new post. So here a text box appears. It is always a best practice to already have the contents in the Word document so that those contents can be immediately copied and pasted in this text box. I have already prepared content on e-learning. I'll simply copy it and paste it here. I can make the text bolder by clicking B. On the top you can see, you can make the text in italics, you can underline the text, you can change the color of the text. This is for inserting a link in your blogspot. This is for insert image. This is for insert video, for inserting special characters, and so on. Now this Word document I have made on e-learning. First of all, I have given an introduction to e-learning. Then I have given outline of the course. For that, I have uploaded a PDF file in my Google Drive and shared the link of that PDF file here. If you copy this link and paste it here, this link will not work. Remember, you cannot directly copy link from the Word document and paste it here. It will not work. What you are to do is delete it and use this symbol to insert link to your blog. I'll click it and I'll paste the link here. I'll tick this, open this link in a new window and apply. Now this link will work. How do we come to know that this link is working? I click here, this gets activated. So that means this link is working. Now in the next section, I would like to give link to all the videos that I have prepared for this course. Now if I click here, you see the links are working. But if you find that the links are not working, this does not get activated, then what you have to do is you are to cut it from here and use this symbol to paste the link here and then apply. Now once you finished pasting the contents in your blog, you can publish the contents, confirm. So this post has been published on your blogspot.com. You can select the theme for this. For that, click theme. You can customize it by selecting any of the themes from here. I will use simple blog. Scroll down, apply. New theme applied successfully. Now you can see your blog by clicking View Blog. So this is how the blog will appear to others. This is the web address for this blog. Copy this and share it with students. Now going back. You can revert your published blog to draft also by clicking Revert to Draft. And you can again publish it when you feel like. You can delete it also. You can create new post by clicking here. So again the text box appears. So what you learned today: how to create a blog using Gmail account, how to create pages in a blog, and how to post and publish contents in a blog.